Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and this is a part 2 of our quality management series. So in our last video what we have done, uh, we have gone to inventory management. We have ensured that the quality management parameter is checked. Then we created test instrument, test variable, test group and item sampling. Okay. Now we'll create a quality association here. So what I mean by that is, so I will go to this quality association and I will click on new. Here I will need to select and which type, like what is the reference type. For example, I want in sales order, purchase order, production, out operation, quarantine. So I will go with my purchase order, because the scenario that I have taken is here we'll be doing the product receipt and we'll create a purchase order. And here what I will do, we can select a particular item from here. Okay, but instead of selecting an item, what I will do, I will create a group of items. So for that I will go to my quality group and here I will click on new. I will say here S quality group, and I will say here quality group. I will save it. Here I can add multiple items. Okay, so the product in which I am going to check this is this product, D365 product. Okay, now what is the benefit of this one? Now instead of table, or instead of selecting all or individual, I can select a group of items. Now the quality group that I just created, what I did, I go to quality group. Inside my quality group I can add all the items that I will be interested. Let's say this particular testing or the quality that I'm doing, it would be for a group of products. So for that, now I can select my this quality group. Okay, and now here these are interesting thing. Now here I will need to select my test group as well. So this would be my test group that I have created. So if you remember, let me go to test group. Inside our test group we have keep multiple tests, right? Initially we created tests. If you went here, right, so we created two tests, right, pass fail and await test. So this resides inside this S product test group. So I will need to select S product test group, and here automatically the sampling is coming. So when I created this test group, I selected the 100% S 100% sampling. So this is also coming here. Now again, here also you can set like in a specific site warehouse you want to do, but for now I will keep it blank only. I will say I want this in product receipt, and here I can select like after product receipt or before product receipt. So usually we'll do it before the product receipt only, right? And here I will say the blocking should be done for product receipt. Now my this step is also ready. Now I can go ahead and I can create my purchase order. Now I'll go to my product, no, so procurement and sourcing. I'll go to all purchase order. And here I will create a new purchase order. I will select a vendor. Let me go with this one. I will click OK. And here I will select my product. So if you remember, we have added that particular product, D365 product. Okay. And here site and warehouse is also we need to fill. So let me give this. Now I will save this. Okay, now our quality, this quality order will get created when we'll do the product receipt. So first of all, let me confirm our purchase order. Okay, now the confirm is in progress. So what we have done so far, now what we are doing, we are buying this particular good from our vendor. Okay, then we'll go to product receipt here. Okay, so our purchase order is confirmed. Now we'll go to receive. I will do product receipt. So I'll give a number to my product receipt. So let's say this has PO134. And here I will click OK. And now the quality order should generate and it should fail because we have set the event as blocking. Okay, so here if you see, now the update is blocked because there is an inspection or because there is a conflict between the parameter setup and all this. And if you will refresh here or you check, now this open quality order is coming. So you can go to your quality management from here and you can click on quality orders. So quality order will be generated against your purchase order. And this is the exact screen, right? This is exact like test group that we have created. So here it is saying this is your quality order number, the quantity is this, the purchase reference is this is your test group as product, right? So that's why these two tests are coming here. Now what will happen in real life scenario, the worker will simply check the quality. So what it will do, it will click on the first test, that is the pass fail test. It will check whether that product on off button is working or not. So I can go to result. Okay, here if you see the default outcome is fail, I will say that this is working perfectly and I will save it. And now when I validate, this should change. Okay, so the total results okay, so here I will need to give the quality, search for the quantity as well. So I will save this and I will validate this. So this is working perfectly. Now the next test, this is the first test, right, where we need to simply pass or fail. Now in our second test, we are going to do the measurement of weight, and that should be 80 gram, right? Now I will come here, I will go to result, and here you can see the result quantity. So the quantity is 1 only, and if you will, so here we need to write 80 because 80 is the standard, or even the min max is also 80. So let's see if I will keep this as 90 and I will try to save and validate. So this shouldn't work. As soon as I will change it to 80 grams, I will say that this particular quantity have the weight of 80 gram. Now this test is passed. Okay, so overall this looks good. I will come back. Now I need to make sure I am clicking on this validate button. So let's say if you do not click on this validate button, if you come back here and now if you try to do product receipt again, it will fail. So let me say PO135. It should fail again because we haven't clicked on that validate button. So that is really important. So if you see still this is failing, so I will go to quality order. Even though both of them are passed, but I will need to validate it first. And here which user have validated this. So I will say my user have validated this. I will click OK. Okay, here if you see the operation is completed. You can even skip the results and all this. So here if you see now all of them have test result, include test result, everything is checkmarked. Now I will come back. Now I will complete my product receipt. It's a PO 135. Here now if you see the product receipt is completed. So if you look at this particular text file, so what we did, we ordered a product from our vendor. So during product receipt, we said that we are going to do the quality check of product. The first quality check that we'll do is whether the on-off button is working. So for that, we created this pass-fail test, its instrument, like the sampling, then the weight of that particular product. Now this is how the complete quality management works. So we can use the similar with different kind of references like sales order and other things as well. Thanks for watching this video.